This is why your fat loss results has stopped. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Isabella Murray, a fat loss expert seen in various UK newspapers. So, let's say this is your starting body. And let's say for you to lose body fat, you did one of them online calculators and it told you you need to eat maybe about 1,800 calories a day. This is 200 ml of water. So 1,800 calories a day. You can see how much space is left. You were on this calorie deficit for 2 months and now you no longer see results and you're still eating the same amount of calories. This is because you have lost body fat. So now the 1,800 calories, so this is 200 ml again, is now too many calories for you to achieve fat loss. Do you see the difference between the two? So if you keep the calories the same, the deficit is no longer the same. So you need to readjust your calorie deficit. Another reason, maybe because you focus on weight, not body fat. If you're someone that weighs yourself every single day and you're like, oh, last week I lost 2 kg, this week I've gained 2 kg, what's happening, something's not right. That's because you're focusing on body weight, not body fat. Your body weight will fluctuate every single day. It will fluctuate throughout the day, depending on what you eat, what you do. It will fluctuate because of your cycle. It will always fluctuate. So I tell people not to worry about your overall body weight. What I like to do when I bring on a client, obviously to measure fat loss, I weigh them every single day for 2 whole weeks. And then I calculate an average, and that's their weight. I then calculate the calorie deficit based on that average. And when they're with me for a whole entire month, I do not weigh them at all during that period. I might do a few measurements of different body parts, but I will not weigh them. Then after a month, I ask them to weigh themselves again every single day for 2 weeks. We take that average and now we use that as their new weight to see what the weight is after fat loss. Another thing to consider is if you're using one of these electric scales that tells you your body fat percentage, your muscle, your weight, this could be the reason why your fat loss results has stopped. I can do a whole entire video on that specifically, but basically water affects the readings on these scales just because of the technology it uses. So if you're going to use those scales, use it first thing after you wake up before drinking any water, because the more water you drink, it will increase your body fat reading. It doesn't mean your body fat has increased, it's just the more water you drink, the higher the body fat percentage it will read. Has no reflection on your true body fat percentage. And when people come to me about the fat loss results being stopped, it's normally because of the first reason. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And please go check out my other videos I post about skincare, makeup. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!